Hi everybody, summer is here and it's a time where people love to grill and barbecue, especially for celebrations, family and social gatherings. But did you know that these cooking methods might be putting our health at risk? Hi, I'm VeRAWonica. I'm a mindset shifter, a FUELstyle queen, and a lifestyle coach, and welcome back to my channel. Today, we're going to uncover some surprising facts about why these cooking methods, barbecuing, grilling, and smoking, might not be the best choices for our health. So what's the problem with grilling, smoking, and barbecuing? When we cook meats at high temperatures, harmful compounds called carcinogens form. Carcinogens are agents that can promote the development of cancer. Also, these cooking methods often result in higher levels of saturated fats, especially when using fatty cuts of meat. Consuming these meats and inhaling the smoke can increase the risk of heart disease, certain kinds of cancers, headaches, throat and eye irritation, asthma, and bronchitis. Here's a quick breakdown of the risks. Let's look at barbecues, smokers, and grillers. When we barbecue, the flames and smoke cause the formation of both HCAs and PAHs, which are harmful compounds and are carcinogens. Grilling at high heat causes amino acids and sugars in the meat to react, forming HCAs. Smoking slowly cooks meats and the smoke penetrates the meat with PAHs. So what does all of that actually mean? Let's dive into this a little bit deeper. HCAs, or heterocyclic amines, form when meat is charred at high temperatures. PAHs, or polycyclic aromatic hydrocarbons, form when fat and juices drip into the flames, causing smoke that coats the meat's surface. Both of these can cause damage to our DNA and promote cancer development. Many commercial marinades and rubs contain additives, preservatives, toxins, chemicals, and GMOs. You can check out my video on GMOs. Processed meats are often used in these cookers, such as sausages and hot dogs, and they contain harmful nitrates. These nitrates have been linked to cancer when exposed to high cooking temperatures. Inhaling smoke containing PAHs poses a cancer risk to the cook and everyone nearby, family, kids, guests, and even nearby neighbors. The secondary smoke can cause respiratory issues, headaches, coughing, throat and eye irritation, asthma, and bronchitis. Health should always come first. Meats for grilling, smoking, and barbecuing often have high levels of saturated fats, and that leads to bad cholesterol and cardiovascular issues. Regular consumption of these meats is linked to higher incidences of cancers, including colon, pancreatic, and prostate cancer. Smoke from grilling, smoking, barbecuing travels. It affects the air quality and respiratory health of those around them, including nearby neighbors. The pollutants and chemicals of the smoke can cause serious health issues. Grilling, smoking, and barbecuing doesn't just affect your health, it can impact your neighbor's health as well. While you might enjoy the smells and flavors, your neighbors get the secondhand smoke and harmful chemicals. Be mindful of our neighbors and the people around us. One of the ways you can do this is by informing them ahead of time and keeping your cooking sessions short. And we can even use alternative cooker methods like woodless and charcoal-free electric grills. To sum it up, grilling, smoking, and barbecuing comes with significant health risks, from carcinogens to high saturated fats to air pollution and neighborly disturbance. It's time to prioritize our health, to be aware and mindful of these impacts. If you're looking for another option and are interested in up-leveling your health even more, go raw plant-based. There's no need to cook or grill or smoke or barbecue. Raw plant-based foods are rich in vitamins, minerals, enzymes, antioxidants, phytonutrients, and amino acids. Check out my video on Plants Have Protein. Consuming raw plant-based foods offer endless health benefits. It helps build your immune system, improves digestion, balances moods, boosts your energy, enhances your complexion, improves your focus and mental clarity, improves your sleep. Raw foods nourish our bodies, helping us thrive, heal, and energize. Check out my other video on why eat plants. Thanks so much for watching this video. I hope that I've inspired you to reconsider your outdoor cooking methods for your health, your family's health, and for your neighbor's health. Please share this video with your friends and family and anyone who might benefit from learning more about improving their health. Eat healthily, drink healthily, and keep becoming aware and getting educated about your health, your wellness, mindset, FUELstyle, and lifestyle. So take great care of the body you're in. It's the only one you have. I want to thank you again for watching this video. It means the world to me. I'm going to be putting out more mindset, FUELstyle, and lifestyle videos. So please subscribe to this channel, especially if you want to learn more about living a rawlicious lifestyle. Check out my online resources, my contact information, and the links to videos that I've mentioned in this video are in the description below. You know, it's time to take our health to the next level. And it's time to take it up a notch so that you can change your game. Thanks again for watching. Follow me on Instagram. I'm VeRAWonica, and have a raw amazing day.